Friends, today in this video I am going to tell you
how to easily make any kind of document file, even if it is a PowerPoint file. Whether it's an Excel file or an image, you can easily convert it to PDF online. How can you do all this? You have to watch the video till the end to know this. So let's start this video. Hello friends, I am your friend Muhammad Kashif.
And you watching the channel Muhammad Hadi Kashif.
If this is your first time on this channel, so quickly subscribe to this channel and also press the bell icon, so that you can get the notification of every incoming video. So friends, let's start. Come to my laptop screen. How you can convert any document online to a PDF file. To create this file online, first, go to Google.
Type PDF create online. Then click the search button.
As you search, you will find many websites here. So select the first or second website link. I recommend you first link. Then what do you do next? Simply select the file here. And then you can give the option here. If you want, can compress the PDF file here. You can merge the image. You can also protect the PDF file here. If you want to give header and footer in any way, so they can do it too. Here I will show you how to convert a Word file to a PDF file. Then click the select file. You can select any document Word file. Then click on the open button. Then you see on mode box select standard conversion. Then click on convert button.
So just click on convert.
So it will take some time. So after that, it will be downloaded automatically.
So here you can see it has been downloaded.
Now we can simply open it. So when you open it, you can see how easy it has been converted to PDF. So, friends, you saw how easily you can convert any file online to PDF in a short time. So, friends, this method is best, simple and easy. So guys, that's all for this video.
So, guys, this is our video. I hope you like my video.
If you like, then please like it and also share my video with your friend. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, so please subscribe to this channel. So stay tuned to videos like this. Thank you very much for watching my video.